where.
Omicron is very highly transmissible.
COVID-19 transmission is increasing at a substantial level, and daily case counts are increasing rapidly.
Manitoba announcing a new single daily record high of COVID-19 cases here on Christmas Eve. Nearly 750 positive cases identified across Manitoba, and now provincial health officials are strongly recommending Manitobans limit their contacts here during the holiday season. The COVID-19 situation worsening daily in Manitoba. Cases continue to surge. Hospital and ICUs continue to see new patients daily. The rise in new cases over the past week has led to long lines at testing sites across the province, and now testing capacity has reached its maximum level.
Our current backlog is estimated to be about 10,000 tests. So obviously we're exploring options to expand that lab capacity and to alleviate that backlog. As expected, our case counts that we are announcing are an underestimate.
Manitoba's test positivity rate sits at 12.6%, Winnipeg at 14.7%. Current health orders allow 10 fully vaccinated visitors to enter a household, but Rusin is asking the public to comply and scale back.
We need to adjust our plans on the go here because we're seeing rapid transmission of Omicron.
As for new restrictions, Rusin says health officials are, quote, looking at this by the hour. But Manitoba's Health Minister Audrey Gordon did hint new restrictions will be announced sometime next week.
There's a high probability that we won't be gathering in the large numbers that they had hoped for.
Notably absent on a day with new record case counts reported, the Premier of Manitoba, Heather Stephenson.
I have the full confidence of the Premier, as does Dr. Reimer and Dr. Rusin, to communicate to Manitobans how urgent it is that they follow the public health orders.
Manitoba NDP leader Rob Canoe says he wants to see a plan.
Tell us what's coming up in the next few days. Tell us how we are going to respond to a day of record case counts that's probably underestimating the number of cases out there.
This government needs to step up. This government needs to match the efforts of its citizens in this province and provide the tools that people need right now in order to stay safe.
Rusin says as cases rise, more people are going to get tested. He says if healthy Manitobans under the age of 40 have any symptoms, to assume you have Omicron.
You don't necessarily need to go get tested, but for sure stay home and isolate for those 10 days.
In Winnipeg, Alex Carpa, City News.